Hello friends, today's special recipe is papaya pakoda. It's a crispy side dish which can be served with rice and khichdi. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. Welcome to Bang Chef. We need green papaya, jeera rice. Add water to soak for 30 minutes. Take each piece and slice it at 45 degrees till halfway. And do the same to the other side. It creates multi-layers and while frying it will be very crispy. You will get a nice shape. Sprinkle some salt. Let it soak the salt for an hour. Now drain the water and dry the rice for 5 minutes. This will prepare the rice for blending. After blending, we should get a fine powder. Now let's create a paste from ginger, cumin seeds and chilies. For the batter, we will take 2 spoons of rice powder, 3 spoons of maida, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of coriander powder, salt and just a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of sugar, and finally the masala paste. Now add some water and make a thick batter. Now use this batter as coating for all our papaya slices. Put each slices carefully to the heated oil. Fry it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes without flipping. Fry the other side as well. Our papaya pakoda is ready. We will be serving it hot. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe now to get all the latest updates. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Thanks for watching.